Imagine you're building a banking app. The user wants to deposit money, so you ask them to enter an amount. Then you convert it into a number. Everything looks perfect. Let's try it. The user types 50. Great! The balance updates. Now another user comes along, but instead of typing a number, they accidentally type hello, and just like that, your entire program crashes. One single word, and everything stops. So how do real Python developers prevent this? They use something called try and except. Try means run this code, but if something goes wrong, don't crash the program. Instead, show a friendly message, ask the user again, and keep everything running. That's why almost every real Python application uses try and except. Not because programmers expect perfect users, but because they know people make mistakes. Now I want to know, have you ever crashed your own Python program like this? Write yes or no in the comments.